ODM has been in business since 1946. We're a family company. We are on our third generation, and the fourth generation is starting to work here now. We've been in business for 73 years.
A company that's been around that long has proven that they stand the test of time.
You know, we like to tell people ODM has been around for a long time and we're not going anywhere soon. So it says a lot about us, and we're going to be here.
We work very hard and we care very much about this company, and not just the owner of the company, but the other families that work here as well. ODM has a very good team of people, and that doesn't just happen. We've worked very hard to put the team together.
The best thing about working for ODM is the camaraderie. We pride ourselves on working as a team.
It's a family, and you can count on people here. And it's someplace that you enjoy coming to work, and you enjoy the people here.
That's something I've not seen anywhere else that I've worked. This is unique. It's a good culture, good place to be at.
We are a multi-step manufacturing plant. We stamp parts, we weld parts, we stake parts, we put bolts in parts.
We like to do frame components. We're good at it. Structural components, we're good at it. Thicker steels, high-strength steels, and assemblies with all of those high-strength steels also.
We have the knowledge and we have the facility and the equipment to be able to take care of our customers under one roof.
We are a Tier 2 supplier. So we supply to the customers that then supply to the Jeep and the Toyota and the Tesla and the Ford.
Where our customer can have everything made here and not have to go to somewhere else, ship it out somewhere else, have something else done to it.
We are near 3 main interstates. We can ship quickly to our customers. We can normally get to our domestic customers within 4 to 6 hours.
We can make everything here, ship it directly to them. We are a one-stop shop.
I've seen it since day one. We are constantly investing in new technologies, new ways to become more efficient, new ways to be more environmentally friendly.
We do rely heavily on technology. That's what sets us apart. And I think that's basically the recipe for ODM success now and moving forward. So we invest heavily into it. We always want more of it, and I think it's a good thing.
We put 110% into everything we do here. We don't cut corners. Quality is number 2 behind safety.
And not only do we have to say that we're doing it, we have to prove that we're doing it. And in order to do that, we have developed a lot of different check fixtures at the final operation.
For ODM, we're invested heavily in air checking sensors. The philosophy is to make a quality part on time, every time.
So we are constantly communicating with our customers to make sure they're getting what they want when they want it.
We form not just a business relationship, but we also form personal relationships with our customers. We give 110%. We're always there for our customers. We have the capability, we have the knowledge, and we have the facility and the equipment to be able to take care of our customers under one roof. We have a phenomenal work staff here, and they have a phenomenal work ethic. And I think if every customer came here and saw that mentality and that culture and what goes into every single part that was here, they would really be pleased with what's going on here. We care. We're willing to go the extra mile for you. We take pride in our work.